The Sony Xperia X8 2027 is here, and it's redefining what a mid-range smartphone can truly deliver. Sony has once again blended its signature design philosophy with powerful performance, creating a device that feels premium in every sense, without the flagship price tag. Right from the first glance, the Xperia X8 stands out with its sleek, minimalist design. The tall 21:9 OLED display is simply stunning, offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and an immersive cinematic experience. Whether you're watching Netflix, scrolling through social media, or gaming, the visual quality feels straight out of a high-end flagship. The slim bezels and lightweight body make it extremely comfortable to hold, giving users both style and practicality. Under the hood, Sony has equipped this device with a powerful and efficient processor that ensures smooth multitasking and lag-free performance. Apps open instantly, gaming feels fluid, and switching between tasks is effortless. Combined with optimized software, the Xperia X8 delivers a clean and fast Android experience, something Sony fans truly appreciate. Now let's talk about one of Sony's strongest areas, the camera system. The Xperia X8 features a versatile triple camera setup that captures stunning photos in all lighting conditions. Thanks to Sony's imaging expertise, photos come out sharp, detailed, and natural looking. The low-light performance has also been improved, allowing you to capture beautiful night shots without excessive noise. Video recording is equally impressive, offering stabilized footage and rich color. Accuracy, perfect for content creators and vloggers. Battery life is another major highlight. The Xperia X8 easily lasts a full day on a single charge, even with heavy usage. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or browsing, you won't have to constantly worry about finding a charger. And with fast charging support, you can quickly power up and get back to your day. Audio lovers are in for a treat as well. Sony continues its legacy with high-quality sound output, making music, movies, and calls sound crystal clear. The inclusion of enhanced audio technologies ensures a rich and immersive listening experience, something rarely found in this segment. On top of all this, Sony has focused on durability and everyday usability. The device is built with premium materials and offers water and dust resistance, making it a reliable companion for daily life. In conclusion, the Xperia X8 2027 is a complete package. It offers a beautiful display, reliable performance, excellent cameras, and long-lasting battery life, all wrapped in a stylish design. For anyone looking for a premium mid-range smartphone experience, this device is definitely worth considering. If you want a phone that balances performance, style, and innovation, the Sony Xperia X8 might just be your perfect match.